No more crackers.
No more crackers. You just gotta feed them coffee go.
Yeah.
Look, cracker.
Now
Go throw at
break it.
them.
Oh, you gotta break it. You gotta break it. Break it. There you go. Show 'em.
The birdies are stupid over here.
Go down again.
They don't know the difference between crop and food. That was attractive. They're feeding a better
Following
food.
everything you say.
No wonder.
Come on, they're stealing all our birds.
We got to get the birds. Do the bird dance, son.
You sound so bad.
Put my shades on so I look cool for the birds.
Not the cheese. Birdies don't like cheese.
Birdies hate cheese. Let's try ham, see if they're cannibals. That's disgusting. You see that? Color differentiation.
No, I thought it was gonna say baked in the
Let me
sun
try.
or what? Oh, they like that.
They'll eat anything.
Yeah.
Either that or they're pretty dumb.
They like the ham. Ham. Yeah.
Look, and there's a hair.
Yeah, right
Is
there.
that my hair? I hope that's my hair. Lunchables is really downgraded over the years.
It's all brown around the edge, yo.
I'll let throw it like I did.
Yeah, ew.
Hey, don't be throwing that cookie.
Yeah, that one. So it's far away.
That meat is good because then
You eat that
when
one.
they
You eat
grab it, they're
Okay,
beat
Mom,
so
eat
they
it.
don't run away with it because if it falls apart.
Yeah. Your turn. Your turn. Take a
God,
bite.
you ate his cookies, now you don't want it.
Give it to me.
What's your problem?
Look at
It's
it.
all your fault.
Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Oi!
Oh, well, there goes the cookie.
There goes cookie.
Go and give that to the birds, Jacqueline. Pick the cookie up, Ollie. The birds are scared of you, they don't like it.
Shut up. They're scared of you. You're scaring everyone with those.
Those dashing looks and trousers. I'm eating, leave me alone.
So,
Don't film me, don't judge.
what are you eating? Just cheese?
Stop
Is it
judging
only
me.
cheese? Daddy.
Filming our son, not me. Oh, when there's like a bunch of little birds coming at you, you're so scared.
What?
Little birds.
You scared of little
Look,
birds?
Turn around.
Cheese, you want
Oh.
cheese?
Too late.
There are no little birds.
For
You're a little
you.
bird.
For Kavika. No. Can't Kavika bite me.
Didn't see
We
that.
saw that.
Can you just look at him?
Everyone saw.